Chapter 8. Planetary Nodes as Wormholes of Consciousness, Accurate Degrees, Astrological Data, and Quantum Soul Mechanics. Each planetary node is a hinge. Through it, the soul turns into time. Halo Readings. What are planetary nodes, really? Planetary nodes are the exact zodiacal degrees where a planet's orbit intersects the plane of the Earth's ecliptic. Every orbit intersects that plane twice. The North Node, where the planet moves above the ecliptic. The South Node, where it moves below the ecliptic. These intersections mark energetic portals. They are fixed points, not drifting like the lunar nodes, meaning they serve as timeless karmic anchors across timelines and lifetimes. While often overlooked in mainstream astrology, planetary nodes, especially of Pluto, Neptune, Uranus, and Chiron, can indicate past life echoes and soul imprints, collective karmic memory fields, portals into alternate versions of your soul experience. 1. The lunar nodes, personal timeline forks. Mean North Node, 2025, Bats 11 degree Aries. Mean South Node, Bats 11 degree Libra. Unlike planetary nodes, lunar nodes are constantly shifting, approx 18.6-year cycle. They are not fixed, but they reveal your primary timeline arc in this incarnation. South Node, stored memory, talents, or unresolved karma. North Node, where your timeline wants to evolve. These are the most personal and visceral nodes. They are not fixed in zodiac, but reset every 18-19 years. 2. Chiron's nodes, the wound, across timelines. Verified heliocentric nodal positions of Chiron from AstroSeek Ephemeris. North Node of Chiron, Chart 21 degree Aries. South Node of Chiron, Part 21 des Libra. This axis reflects a multiversal pain imprint. When your natal chart features planets or angles within 3 degree 5 days of these degrees, you likely carry a wound or wisdom that transcends this lifetime. Examples: natal Venus at 21 degree Aries, love becomes a battlefield of healing. Natal Moon at 20 in Libra, emotional memory carries echoes of loss or peacemaking from parallel lives. These degrees activate between ages 21-23, 42-45, 63-66, etc., often bringing healing crises, awakenings, or psychic bleed-throughs. 3. Pluto's nodes, the soul gate of civilization. North Node of Pluto, 18 degree in Capricorn. South Node of Pluto, 18 degree in Cancer, verified via AstroSeek and traditional charts. Pluto's nodes are considered the most significant planetary nodes in evolutionary astrology. They anchor the collective soul memory of humanity. What they represent: South Node, Cancer, karmic patterns around home, survival, nationalism, ancestral trauma. North Node, Capricorn, soul directive towards structure, accountability, sacred order. If you have personal planets near 18 degrees Cancer Capricorn, you are a carrier of generational change, bridging timelines. Multiversal implication: these nodes reflect the collective divergence between timelines rooted in fear of loss, Cancer, and fear of power, Capricorn. 4. Neptune's nodes, the dream portals. North Node of Neptune, 11 degree Leo. South Node of Neptune, 11 degree Aquarius. These nodes govern collective imagination, mysticism, disillusionment, and divine longing. With these positions: South Node, Aquarius, memory of broken utopias, exiled wisdom, starseed grief. North Node, Leo, invitation to embody divine light, creativity, and sovereign spirit. Strong contacts to these points may cause dream recall from other timelines, heightened psychic sensitivity, feeling born out of time, or like you're channeling knowledge from a lost future. 5. Uranus's nodes, tech and truth in timelines. North Node of Uranus, Degra's Gemini. South Node of Uranus, Degra's Sagittarius. Uranus's nodes connect to timeline shifts in technology, language, rebellion, and mental awakening. Forgotten civilizations or hidden sciences, South Node SAG. New AI, tech ethics, and multidimensional thought, North Node Gemini. When transiting planets activate these nodes, you may notice sudden insights, timeline blips, unusual synchronicities with technology or symbols. People born with personal planets near these degrees often serve as timeline disruptors or consciousness coders. How to use planetary nodes in quantum astrology. 1. Locate them in your chart. Plot these points manually, or use advanced tools like SolarFire or AstroGold. Cross-check your Sun, Moon, Mercury, Ascendant, IC, MC, nodes, Chiron, against the fixed degrees mentioned above. 2. Watch for node activations in transits to planetary nodes. Timeline bleed-through. For example, Pluto at 18 degrees in Capricorn, 2018-2020, activated its own node, massive global reset. Lunar eclipse near 18 degrees in Cancer Capricorn, nodal flashpoint, generational karma surfacing. Saturn conjunct 14 degrees in Gemini, Uranus North Node, timeline stabilization of new technologies. 3. Perform planetary node rituals. Use sacred geometry, e.g. hexagrams for Uranus, circles for Neptune, and affirm, I access the memory stored in this planetary node. I honor the timelines it represents. I call back the knowledge needed for healing now. Final insight. Planetary nodes do not just connect you to your past. They connect you to alternate selves, ancestral fragments, and collective timelines where you may have existed before or still exist now. These are not metaphors. These are astrological fixed points, verified, mapped, and waiting to be engaged consciously. Up next, in Chapter 9, Parallel Houses, 12 sectors and shifting timelines, we examine how the meanings and manifestations of the astrological houses change across dimensions. The 4th house may be family in one life and a soul prison in another. The 12th may be madness in one and divinity in another.